Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS Ninja interview experience, latest 2022 batch interview experience, and today we have Madhumita with us. She will share her interview experience, that how she cracked the TCS Ninja recruitment process with the all-round process like TR, MR and HR round, and she got the offer letter in 5 to 6 days. So this video is very useful for everyone, and if your interview is ongoing, so this video is very useful, and you will know about the all round process. Okay, so I am just adding Madhumita on the screen, and let's start the today's video. Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am also fine. First of all, congratulations from online learning team that you are selected for the TCS Ninja.
Thank you on that. Thanks.
Brief introduction about yourself.
First of all, hi. Thank you. Thanks to you for the opportunity to give my to share my experience. Hi, I'm Madhumita. I'm doing my electrical engineering from Techno International Newtown. Currently, I am in fourth year, seventh semester, and I recently cracked TCS Ninja interview process, which was on 30th September. I got the mail, and the interview was the next day. It was on 1st October, and then I got the offer letter from their end on 6th October.
Okay. So my second question is all about that. How do you know get to about this opportunity? Because as we know about this, TCS Ninja is both currently on the on campus and off campus.
Yes. Yes, it for me it was both on and on off campus.
Okay.
I regularly visited TCS Next Step portal for
Okay.
their job openings and all, and then I got TCS Ninja interview notifications from my TPO college TPO sir, and then I applied there for the job role, assistant system engineer,
Yes.
and then I upload my resume on that next TCS Next Step portal, and then it was held on 15th September.
Okay.
TCS NQT.
Yes. Yes.
It was
As we all know about the TCS NQT examination, it has a cognitive and programming part. But regarding to your interview experience, as we all know about the TR, MR, and HR round in the interview, so what are the questions? Explain in details.
okay. First of all, it was held on. It was announced that it was held on 9:15 a.m. But it was too long. It takes too long time. And then at about 12:15, I got into the MS Teams, and they accept me in the from the lobby.
Yes.
And then first for me it was a technical and HR round. It was on a single interview.
Yes.
First of all, they comfort me for and they greetings me for the selection in TCS NQT, and then they asked me about my introduction, how I am doing and all, and then take a snapshot of my for government photo ID card with
Okay.
my face. One of the panelists,
Yes.
and then asked me for the introduction, and then he directly asked me some my technical skill, and I clearly mentioned as I am from electrical background, I did not know much about coding, and they asked me very basic things. What is C? What is the difference between C and C++? That kind of questions. And then one of the panelists go to my core part, and then asked what is my comfortable zone in my core subjects. Then I said these are basic electrical engineering, and then he asked me from the transformer, what is transformer, what it is parts, what its winding parts, its types, and then he asked me what is auto transformer, one question, and then he go into the electronics part also. and electronics part I am not very good at all. So I mentioned that, sir, I am not compatible in electronics. So they asked me what is amplifier.
Okay.
Then I couldn't answer that question, and I clearly told them that I can't able to answer these questions. Then he took me to the MR round, and then MR was so natural. See, she's trying to comfort me and ask why I am getting to this job opportunity.
Yes.
And then I told that from my first year I learned C programming language, and it is my technical skill, and that's all.
Okay. So HR round is not only in the TR and MR.
Sorry.
Means the HR round is not in the TR and MR round. Like the 3 rounds are in one go.
3 rounds in one go it was.
Okay. So means HR will not ask any questions from you.
No, HR asked me questions,
Yes.
why we should hire you. Then
Okay.
then I told sir that sir, I am honest to me, and I in my resume I all mentioned that, and from the part, and he asked that should you would you want to relocate in
Yes.
anywhere in Indian. So I told them that yes sir, I want to relocate. But I mentioned them that my first preference is Kolkata, and then she asked me that why Kolkata? It is an MNC company. You should go anywhere in Indian part. Then I accept the offer
Okay. So means
from him.
this is the HR questions. Okay. So
Hmm.
all about in the interview process, like you are from a non-CS IT branch, and you just say that I am not so much good in electrical part. So you are good in some of the programming languages and other part. So what are
Hmm.
the advice to viewers that how they prepare for the interview, and resume is important or not in the interview?
Resume is important, but if you do not have with your projects, please don't afraid of that.
Okay.
They don't ask from project if you don't mention, but if
Okay.
you mention the project, you should prepare on that and
Yes.
don't exaggerate your projects.
Yes.
If you have done with it, then only you told them. Like for me, I am not done with my projects, and they asked me for final year project. I told them that I said I am 22 pass outs and my project is not allocated
Yes.
to
Yes.
all of us.
Yes.
Then he told me that it's okay.
Okay. Means this is the most asked queries in the previous video, that project is very important in the interview, that interviewers ask about project or not. So you will clear this query. And my last question is all about that. What is the feedback for online learning channel? That how my channel is helpful in your preparation?
It was very nice, and from your end, the information was so good, and information was so helpful for me for my preparation,
Yes.
and it was a very good channel.
Yes.
I learned from one of my college mates.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, and thank you so much for your valuable interview experience. So, if the some candidate ask some of the queries from you, so means you can just post some of the questions on the Telegram group. Okay, on our Telegram group, like what are the some questions that you just mentioned in the interview experience. And thank you
Yes.
so much, and best of luck for your upcoming journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.